sustainable agricultural practices and ensuring consistent quality. Refined vegetable oils such as palm or soybean oil are chosen to enhance the noodle's texture and prevent sticking during production. These oils are selected for their purity and ability to maintain consistency across large batches. Essential flavoring agents like garlic powder, onion powder, and a variety of spices are sourced from reputable suppliers who adhere to strict quality standards. Each spice is carefully selected not only for its individual. A blend of soy sauce, chili flakes, dried veggie flavor might incorporate fermented cabbage, garlic, and a blend of chili peppers, capturing the essence of traditional kimchi while adapting it for instant ramen. Efficient distribution networks, delivering ramen nationwide and beyond. With the ramen perfectly packaged, the next challenge is ensuring it reaches consumers swiftly and in optimal condition. Efficient distribution networks orchestrate the transportation and delivery of bulk Korean ramen to markets across the nation and around the world. American factories collaborate with reliable logistics partners to manage the complex process of moving ramen from the production line to retail shelves. These partnerships leverage advanced inventory management systems that track shipments in real time, providing visibility and ensuring prompt deliveries. By minimizing delays and optimizing routes, these systems help maintain the ramen's quality from factory to consumer. Environmental responsibility and technological advancement. Sustainable practices are at the forefront of modern ramen production. Are grown and harvested using methods that minimize environmental impact. This commitment extends to implementing energy-efficient manufacturing processes that reduce carbon footprints and lower operational costs. Waste reduction is another critical aspect of sustainability. Factories employ strategies to minimize waste through recycling and repurposing initiatives. For example, excess flour and other byproducts may be converted into animal feed or used in other food products, contributing to a circular economy where resources are continually reused and repurposed rather than discarded. Innovation drives the evolution of ramen production, with factories investing in cutting-edge machinery and automation technologies. These advancements streamline operations, increase production capacity, and ensure data analytics and real-time monitoring systems provide invaluable insights into every aspect of the production process. By analyzing data from machinery, supply chains, and consumer feedback, factories can continuously improve and optimize their operations, enhancing efficiency and product quality. Predictive maintenance technologies, for example, help prevent equipment failures before they occur, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted production. Research and development efforts are equally crucial, focusing on creating new flavors, improving nutritional profiles, and enhancing the overall consumer experience. Factories explore innovative flavor combinations, incorporating global culinary influences while staying true to traditional Korean tastes. Efforts to enhance the nutritional value of ramen include reducing sodium content, adding vitamins and minerals, and experimenting with alternative ingredients that cater to health-conscious consumers without sacrificing flavor. By prioritizing sustainability and innovation, American factories are not only meeting the rising demand for Korean ramen, but also setting new standards for risk. Have you ever wondered what it takes to craft millions of McDonald's Egg McMuffins every single day? Imagine a symphony of precision, efficiency, and innovation working behind the scenes in bustling factories. Today, we're peeling back the layers of one of America's favorite breakfast icons to reveal the captivating process of bulk McMuffin production. Whether you're a curious foodie eager to uncover the secrets of your morning staple, an aspiring entrepreneur fascinated by large-scale manufacturing, or simply intrigued by the intricate dance of ingredients and machinery, this video is your exclusive pass. Join us as we journey from the selection of the freshest ingredients to the high-tech assembly lines that ensure every McMuffin is a masterpiece of taste and consistency. Get ready to dive deep into the mesmerizing world where your beloved Egg McMuffin comes to life. 2. Sourcing quality ingredients. The foundation of any great McMuffin begins with high-quality ingredients. McDonald's partners with trusted suppliers across the United States to procure premium eggs, Canadian bacon, and freshly baked English muffins. These suppliers adhere to strict quality control standards to ensure that each component meets McDonald's rigorous specifications. Sustainable farming practices and ethical sourcing are also prioritized, ensuring that the ingredients not only taste great, but are also responsibly produced. This commitment to quality starts the McMuffin's journey on the right foot. 3. Ingredient preparation and processing. Once the ingredients arrive at the factory, the preparation process begins. Fresh eggs are carefully cracked and whisked into a smooth mixture, ready to be cooked into perfectly round egg patties. Canadian bacon is sliced and heated to achieve the ideal texture and flavor. Meanwhile, the English muffins are toasted to a golden brown, providing the perfect base for the sandwich. Each ingredient is meticulously prepared to ensure consistency and taste, maintaining the McMuffin's signature flavor profile that customers love. 4. Automated cooking stations. McDonald's utilizes advanced automated cooking stations to streamline the production process. These machines are designed to cook eggs, bacon, and toast English muffins simultaneously, ensuring that every McMuffin is prepared efficiently without compromising quality. The automated systems are programmed to cook each component for precise times and temperatures, resulting in consistent taste and texture across every batch. This level of automation allows McDonald's to meet the high demand for McMuffins, especially during peak breakfast hours. 5. Assembly line efficiency. After the individual components are cooked, they move down the assembly line where skilled workers and additional automation come into play. The warm English muffin serves as the foundation, followed by the perfectly cooked egg patty and a slice of Canadian bacon. Each layer is carefully stacked to maintain the McMuffin structure and ensure that every bite delivers the perfect balance of flavors. The assembly line is designed for maximum efficiency, allowing McDonald's to produce thousands of McMuffins daily without sacrificing quality. 6. Quality control and consistency. Quality control is paramount in McDonald's bulk production process. Throughout the manufacturing journey, rigorous inspections are conducted at every stage to ensure that each McMuffin meets the company's high standards. From ingredient freshness to cooking times and assembly precision, every aspect is monitored and adjusted as needed. This commitment to consistency guarantees that customers receive the same delicious McMuffin experience every time they visit McDonald's, regardless of the location. 7. Packaging and distribution. Once assembled, the McMuffins are carefully packaged to maintain their freshness and warmth during transportation. McDonald's employs eco-friendly packaging materials that are both durable and sustainable, aligning with the company's commitment to environmental responsibility. The packaged McMuffins are then distributed to McDonald's restaurants across the country through a network of refrigerated transportation, ensuring that they arrive in perfect condition for customers to enjoy. 8. Technology and innovation in production. McDonald's continually invests in cutting-edge technology and innovative practices to enhance the efficiency and quality of their McMuffin production. From advanced cooking equipment to sophisticated inventory management systems, technology plays a crucial role in optimizing every step of the process. Automation not only increases production speed, but also minimizes human error, ensuring that each McMuffin is crafted to perfection. Additionally, ongoing research and development initiatives help McDonald's stay ahead of industry trends and customer preferences. 9. Workforce training and development. Behind every successful McMuffin is a team of dedicated and well-trained employees. McDonald's places a strong emphasis on workforce training and development, ensuring that all staff members are proficient in the production processes and quality standards. Comprehensive training programs cover everything from food safety protocols to efficient assembly techniques, empowering employees to contribute effectively to the bulk production of McMuffins. This investment in human capital ensures a smooth and efficient production line, resulting in consistent and high-quality products. 10. Sustainability and environmental impact. In today's environmentally conscious world, McDonald's is committed to reducing its environmental footprint throughout the McMuffin production process. This includes initiatives such as sourcing sustainable ingredients, minimizing waste through efficient production practices, and utilizing energy-efficient machinery. Additionally, McDonald's is continuously exploring ways to enhance its sustainability efforts, such as implementing recycling programs and reducing packaging materials. These efforts ensure that the production of McMuffins not only delights customers, but also aligns with global sustainability goals. 11. Ensuring food safety and hygiene. Maintaining the highest standards of food safety and hygiene is crucial in the bulk production of McMuffins. McDonald's adheres to strict food safety regulations and implements comprehensive hygiene protocols across all production facilities. Regular sanitation procedures, temperature controls, and employee hygiene training are integral parts of the process, ensuring that every McMuffin is safe for consumption. These measures help prevent contamination and ensure that customers can enjoy their McMuffins with confidence in their safety and quality. 12. Adapting to market demands and trends. The fast food industry is dynamic with changing consumer preferences and market trends. McDonald's remains agile in adapting its McMuffin production to meet these evolving demands. Whether it's introducing new flavors, accommodating dietary restrictions, or enhancing nutritional profiles, McDonald's continually innovates to keep the McMuffin relevant and appealing. By staying attuned to customer feedback and market research, McDonald's ensures that their bulk production processes are flexible and responsive to the needs of their diverse customer base. 13. The role of automation and robotics. Automation and robotics play a significant role in the bulk production of McMuffins, enhancing both efficiency and precision. Automated systems handle repetitive tasks such as ingredient dispensing, cooking, and assembly, reducing the likelihood of human error and increasing production speed. Robotics technology also allows for greater flexibility in the production line, enabling quick adjustments to accommodate different McMuffin variations or seasonal demands. This integration of automation ensures that McDonald's can maintain high production volumes while upholding stringent quality standards. 14. Logistics and supply chain management. Effective logistics and supply chain management are essential for the seamless production of McMuffins in bulk. McDonald's employs sophisticated supply chain strategies to coordinate the timely delivery of ingredients from suppliers to factories and then to restaurants. Real-time tracking systems monitor inventory levels, ensuring that production lines operate smoothly without interruptions due to ingredient shortages. Additionally, contingency plans are in place to address potential disruptions, maintaining the integrity and reliability of the McMuffin production process. 15. Customization and menu variety. While the classic Egg McMuffin remains a staple, McDonald's also offers a variety of customization options to cater to diverse tastes and preferences. The bulk production process is designed to accommodate these variations, allowing for easy modifications, such as adding cheese, bacon, or other toppings. This flexibility ensures that McDonald's can offer a wide range of McMuffin options without compromising the efficiency and consistency of bulk production. By providing menu variety, McDonald's appeals to a broader audience, enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. 16. Energy efficiency and cost management. Managing energy consumption and production costs are critical aspects of bulk McMuffin manufacturing. McDonald's implements energy-efficient practices and invests in sustainable technologies to reduce operational costs and environmental impact. From utilizing energy-saving appliances to optimizing production schedules, every effort is made to ensure that the production process is both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Effective cost management allows McDonald's to maintain competitive pricing for their McMuffins while ensuring profitability and sustainability. 17. Continuous improvement and feedback loops. McDonald's embraces a culture of continuous improvement, regularly evaluating and refining their McMuffin production processes. Feedback loops involving employee input, customer reviews, and performance metrics are integral to identifying areas for enhancement. By analyzing production data and monitoring quality indicators, McDonald's can implement changes that boost efficiency, improve quality, and adapt to new challenges. This commitment to ongoing improvement ensures that the bulk production of McMuffins remains robust and responsive to the evolving market landscape. 18. Packaging innovations for freshness. Packaging plays a vital role in preserving the freshness and quality of McMuffins during distribution and storage. McDonald's employs innovative packaging solutions that maintain the ideal temperature and moisture levels, ensuring that each McMuffin arrives at restaurants ready to be served. Advanced materials and design features help extend shelf life and enhance the overall customer experience. Additionally, McDonald's continually explores eco-friendly packaging alternatives to reduce environmental impact while maintaining product integrity. 19. Automation in quality assurance. Quality assurance is seamlessly integrated into the bulk McMuffin production line through automation. Advanced sensors and monitoring systems track critical parameters such as temperature, cooking times, and ingredient proportions in real time. These automated quality checks ensure that each McMuffin meets the established standards before moving forward in the production process. 20. Future trends in McMuffin production. As we look to the future, McDonald's continues to innovate in the realm of bulk McMuffin production. Emerging trends such as plant-based ingredients, sustainable packaging, and personalized nutrition are shaping the next generation of breakfast sandwiches. McDonald's is investing in research and development to explore these trends, ensuring that their McMuffins remain relevant and appealing to a diverse and health-conscious customer base. By anticipating and adapting to future trends, McDonald's solidifies its position as a leader in the fast food industry. 21. The McMuffin manufacturing marvel. From sourcing the finest ingredients to employing cutting-edge technology and maintaining rigorous quality standards, the bulk production of McMuffins is a testament to McDonald's commitment to excellence. Every McMuffin that reaches your breakfast table has undergone a meticulously orchestrated process designed to deliver consistent taste, quality, and satisfaction. We hope this behind-the-scenes look has given you a deeper appreciation for the effort and innovation that goes into making one of America's favorite breakfast sandwiches.
Imagine biting into a crisp, chocolate-covered wafer bar, the perfect harmony of crunch and creaminess in every bite. Now, what if I told you that every KitKat bar you enjoy is a product of meticulous planning, cutting-edge technology, and a fascinating global effort? KitKat isn't just a treat, it's a marvel of modern food production. In today's video, we'll uncover the secrets behind how KitKat is made in a factory using the most advanced technologies, starting from its humble beginnings in cocoa farms to the carefully calibrated machines that craft each bar to perfection. Stick around, it's going to be a sweet ride. The KitKat story begins in York, England in 1935, when Rowntree's introduced the world to Rowntree's Chocolate Crisp. The name KitKat was officially adopted in 1937. During World War II, the bar became a staple snack for soldiers, thanks to its high energy content and portability. Fast forward to today, KitKat is manufactured globally by Nestle, except in the US, where Hershey handles production. The slogan, "Have a break, have a KitKat," has become a cultural touchstone, emphasizing its role as a moment of indulgence amidst a busy day. KitKat's journey begins in the tropical regions of West Africa, home to some of the world's finest cocoa beans. Nestle sources its cocoa through the Nestle Cocoa Plan, ensuring sustainable and ethical practices. Farmers carefully harvest ripe cocoa pods, splitting them open to extract the beans. These beans undergo fermentation, a natural process that enhances their flavor profile before being sun-dried to perfection. Once ready, the beans are transported to processing facilities where they're roasted and transformed into cocoa mass, the base for KitKat's smooth milk chocolate. High-quality milk is integral to KitKat's creamy chocolate coating. Dairy farms in regions like the US Midwest or European Alps supply fresh milk that's processed under stringent quality standards. The milk is pasteurized and condensed to achieve the rich, creamy consistency essential for chocolate production. The light, crispy wafers that define KitKat are crafted from wheat flour. This flour comes from sustainably grown wheat, primarily sourced from North America and Europe. Farmers use precision farming techniques to ensure high yields while minimizing environmental impact. Sugar is a key ingredient in KitKat, adding sweetness to both the chocolate and the wafers. Nestle uses a mix of beet sugar and cane sugar, sourced from farms that practice sustainable agriculture. The sugar undergoes refining processes to remove impurities, resulting in a pure, crystalline product. The wafer starts as a simple dough made from wheat flour, water, sugar, and a leavening agent. Advanced mixing machines ensure that the dough achieves a smooth, consistent texture. This step is crucial for creating the thin, crispy layers KitKat is known for. The dough is spread onto large baking plates and fed into conveyor belt ovens. These ovens are meticulously calibrated to maintain an even temperature, ensuring the wafers are uniformly baked to a light golden brown. The aroma of freshly baked wafers fills the factory, a sensory reminder of the magic being crafted. After baking, the wafer sheets are cooled on industrial racks to prevent them from becoming brittle. Once cooled, automated cutters slice the wafers into uniform segments. These segments will later be layered to form the core of the KitKat bar. The factory receives cocoa beans that have been fermented and dried. These beans are roasted to develop their rich, chocolatey flavor. The roasting process is precise, with temperatures and durations tailored to each batch to achieve the desired flavor intensity. The roasted beans are cracked open, and the nibs, the edible part of the bean, are ground into a thick, liquid cocoa mass. This mass is combined with sugar, milk, and cocoa butter in large mixing vats. The resulting chocolate mixture is both rich in flavor and velvety in texture. Conching is a refining process where the chocolate mixture is continuously mixed for hours to enhance its flavor and texture. During this process, the chocolate achieves its signature smoothness and loses any bitter notes. Tempering is the final step in chocolate preparation. This process involves heating and cooling the chocolate to precise temperatures, ensuring it solidifies with a glossy finish and a satisfying snap. Tempering also prevents the chocolate from developing a dull, grayish appearance over time. The wafer segments are layered with a thin coating of chocolate to create a sturdy yet light structure. This layering process is performed with high-speed machinery that ensures precision and consistency. Once layered, the wafer sheets are cut into the iconic fingers that make up a KitKat bar. Advanced sensors guide the cutting process to ensure uniformity across thousands of bars. The cut wafer fingers pass through a curtain of liquid chocolate in a process known as enrobing. This step ensures that each bar is fully coated with chocolate, creating the smooth outer shell that defines KitKat. Every KitKat bar undergoes rigorous quality checks. Cameras and sensors detect defects such as uneven coating, air bubbles, or incorrect dimensions. Bars that don't meet quality standards are removed from the production line. The enrobed bars are sent to cooling chambers, where they're solidified under controlled conditions. This step ensures the chocolate retains its glossy finish and structural integrity. Once cooled, the bars are wrapped in KitKat's signature red and white packaging. The wrapping machines are designed to work at lightning speed, wrapping hundreds of bars per minute while ensuring each package is airtight to preserve freshness. Wrap bars are grouped into boxes, which are then stacked onto pallets for transport. Automated palletizers arrange the boxes efficiently, readying them for shipment to distribution centers. KitKat bars are transported via a sophisticated logistics network. Refrigerated trucks ensure the chocolate doesn't melt during transit, maintaining its quality until it reaches store shelves. At retail locations, the bars are displayed in prominent positions, often near checkout counters, making them irresistible to consumers. Nestle is committed to making KitKat carbon neutral by 2025. This involves reducing emissions across its supply chain, using renewable energy in factories, and supporting reforestation projects. Through initiatives like the Nestle Cocoa Plan, the company also invests in cocoa farming communities, providing resources and education to improve livelihoods. And there you have it, the incredible journey of a KitKat bar, from cocoa farms to your fingertips. Each bar is a testament to the harmony of tradition and technology, bringing joy to millions worldwide. Next time you snap into a KitKat, you'll know the care and innovation that went into creating it.
A blend of 11 herbs and spices hidden behind layers of security. Locked away in a high-tech vault, this recipe has become as iconic as the brand itself, representing a legacy of flavors so guarded that only a select few hold its full secret. This vault symbolizes not just security, but also the dedication KFC has to maintaining the Colonel's original vision, ensuring that the unique taste remains consistent and authentic across the globe. Before we dive into the secret world behind KFC's iconic fried chicken, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss a single episode as we uncover the hidden processes behind your favorite foods from around the world. Colonel Harlan Sanders' story is one of grit, determination, and culinary innovation. He wasn't just a founder, but the heart and soul behind KFC. Sanders poured his life into perfecting fried chicken, elevating it from a Southern staple to a global phenomenon. His commitment and passion for quality set KFC apart, creating a brand that embodies his values and standards. Sanders remains a legend, not just for the recipe he created, but for the spirit of perseverance he represents, inspiring the entire KFC franchise to maintain the high standards he set. Born in 1890, Sanders' childhood in Indiana was anything but easy. Losing his father at a young age forced him into work, taking odd jobs to support his family. From farming and firefighting to working as a streetcar conductor and insurance salesman, Sanders' journey was fraught with challenges. Despite these struggles, he never lost sight of his dream. His resilience through these hardships shaped his character and built the foundation of his entrepreneurial spirit. This background is what drove him to pursue his vision with unbreakable determination. In 1930, Sanders opened a small gas station in Corbin, Kentucky, where he began cooking fried chicken for weary travelers. Word quickly spread about his uniquely flavored, crispy chicken, and soon Sanders' service station transformed into a modest yet beloved roadside restaurant. His reputation soared, and he received the honorary title of Kentucky Colonel for his contribution to Kentucky's culinary landscape. This humble beginning in Corbin was the spark that would ignite a global fried chicken phenomenon. KFC partners with farms globally to ensure high-quality, ethically raised chickens. They maintain rigorous standards for food safety, animal welfare, and environmental responsibility. These farms span across countries like the US, UK, and Ireland, upholding KFC's promise of using only the finest ingredients. This global network allows KFC to bring its iconic flavor to customers worldwide, backed by quality and care in every bite. KFC takes animal welfare seriously. As part of their commitment to ethical standards, they have pledged to make 100% of their chicken cage-free by 2026. As of 2024, 25% of their chickens in major markets are already raised cage-free. This dedication to humane practices reflects KFC's responsibility towards animals, customers, and the environment, setting an industry standard for quality and ethics. These practices ensure that the chicken served at KFC is not only delicious, but also responsibly sourced. KFC works with suppliers to provide chickens with humane living conditions. This includes access to natural light, adequate space, and a healthy diet free from hormones. These practices ensure that chickens are raised in a stress-free environment, leading to better health and a higher quality product. By prioritizing the well-being of the animals, KFC guarantees that its chicken is not only tasty, but also raised responsibly, aligning with the values of today's conscious consumers. Quality assurance is paramount. Each chicken goes through a series of rigorous inspections to ensure it meets KFC's high standards before it reaches processing plants. These inspections are crucial in maintaining quality, ensuring that only the best products make it to the restaurants. KFC's strict quality control measures reflect their dedication to providing customers with safe, delicious food, adding another layer of trust to the brand. Once chickens pass inspection, they undergo a thorough cleaning process to eliminate any contaminants. KFC's processing plants adhere to strict hygiene standards, minimizing the risk of cross-contamination. These sanitation practices are essential in delivering safe, high-quality food to customers. By following stringent hygiene protocols, KFC ensures that every piece of chicken is handled with care and precision. KFC uses advanced technology to cut each chicken into standardized portions, ensuring uniform quality and portion sizes across all locations. This precision cutting not only maintains consistency, but also enhances the dining experience by providing evenly sized pieces that are easier to cook and enjoy. This level of detail reinforces KFC's commitment to quality, ensuring that every meal served meets the brand's high standards. Freshness is key. KFC chills its chicken to preserve its natural texture and flavor. By avoiding freezing in many regions, KFC ensures that its chicken retains its premium quality, delivering a product that tastes fresh and satisfying. This chilling process is a testament to KFC's dedication to maintaining the highest standards, providing customers with the freshest fried chicken possible. To keep the chicken fresh during transit, KFC employs strict temperature controls, ensuring the product remains at the optimal temperature until it reaches the restaurant. This meticulous process prevents spoilage and maintains the chicken's quality, ensuring customers receive a product that meets KFC's standards. These transportation practices highlight KFC's attention to detail, making sure that each piece of chicken is perfect when it arrives at its destination. The chicken undergoes a final inspection by KFC staff to confirm it meets quality standards. Once approved, it is stored under refrigerated conditions until it's ready for cooking. This last layer of inspection ensures that only the best chicken is served, reinforcing KFC's commitment to quality and consistency from farm to table. KFC's breading process is an art in itself. The chicken is dipped in cold water and then coated in a special blend of seasoned flour, which contains the famous 11 herbs and spices. This method ensures an even coating, creating that signature crispy texture and unforgettable flavor. The breading process is carefully designed to deliver a consistent, mouth-watering experience, capturing the essence of KFC in every bite. Pressure frying is a technique Sanders pioneered, allowing the chicken to cook faster while sealing in moisture. This method creates a crispy, golden exterior while keeping the inside tender and juicy. Pressure frying is essential to KFC's texture, making each piece of chicken irresistibly delicious. This unique cooking process, combined with the secret recipe, is what gives KFC its finger-licking good flavor. After cooking, the chicken is served immediately, ensuring that customers enjoy it at its freshest. This commitment to serving hot, crispy, and juicy chicken is what has made KFC a beloved brand worldwide. Each meal is a testament to KFC's dedication to quality, ensuring customers always get a taste of excellence with every bite. Today, we're diving into the mesmerizing journey of orange juice, from hand-picked groves to high-speed factory machines. Stick around, because this isn't just about juice. It's about unlocking the secrets behind one of America's favorite breakfast staples. Before we jump in, hit subscribe so you never miss another behind-the-scenes look at how your favorite foods are made too. The origin of orange juice. Orange juice has a history that's as vibrant as its taste. The concept of squeezing oranges for juice dates back centuries, possibly as far back as ancient civilizations that grew citrus. However, it wasn't until the mid-20th century that orange juice truly became a staple in American households. Advances in preservation techniques, especially the development of pasteurization and freezing processes, allowed for orange juice to be enjoyed year-round, not just during orange growing seasons. It soon became the iconic breakfast beverage we know today. During World War II, the U.S. government even promoted orange juice as a nutrient-packed food for soldiers, further cementing its place in American culture. Fresh squeezed orange juice contains no additives or preservatives, which gives it that rich, natural flavor many people love. It's packed with vitamin C, offering a great morning boost. But because fresh squeezed juice has a shorter shelf life, it's less commonly seen in grocery aisles compared to pasteurized, long-life orange juice. Processed juice is often pasteurized to kill bacteria and prolong shelf life, but the trade-off is that some natural flavor and nutrients may be lost in the process. The orange groves. The journey of orange juice begins long before it reaches a factory. It starts in the vast orange groves spread across warm, sun-soaked regions. Growing oranges takes time, care, and a lot of patience. Orange trees require several months to reach maturity and bear fruit. In the U.S., states like Florida and California lead in orange production, with their climate providing the perfect conditions for these juicy fruits. Come early November, these trees are loaded with ripe, bright oranges, ready for harvest. Timing is crucial because only when the oranges reach peak ripeness will they have the sweetness and juice content needed for production. Surprisingly, even with technological advancements, orange picking remains a hands-on process. Workers carefully pick each orange to avoid damaging either the fruit or the tree. This method, though time-intensive, prevents bruising that could affect juice quality. Pickers use special lightweight bags that can hold several oranges without putting too much strain on the fruit. This meticulous approach ensures that each orange arrives at the processing plant in pristine condition, ready for juicing. Not all oranges are ideal for juicing. For mass production, varieties like the Hamlin orange are favored. These small but mighty fruits pack a high juice content, making them perfect for large-scale production. Interestingly, these oranges are often picked while their skins are still green. A green exterior doesn't mean the fruit isn't ripe. It's just a sign of the unique sugars locked within, which give the juice a sweeter taste. Once harvested, oranges go through a rigorous sorting process. Pickers inspect each fruit as they transfer them from their bags. If an orange has a tear or puncture, it's discarded, as internal damage can lead to off flavors or spoilage. Minor blemishes, however, don't impact juice quality, so these oranges continue on their journey to the juicing stage. The washing process. The first stage in the plant is cleaning. Oranges are doused with soapy water, which is sprayed onto them as they move along conveyor belts. Rotating nylon brushes scrub away dirt, dust, and any other debris that may have clung to the fruit during its time in the grove. Once the initial wash is complete, a second sprayer rinses off any remaining soap. Brushes keep the oranges moving forward, ensuring they're spotless. This two-step cleaning process is vital to guarantee that the juice extracted later is free from contaminants or unwanted flavors. Air drying with fans. After washing, the oranges travel along a conveyor belt under powerful fans. These fans help dry off any lingering moisture. This drying step prevents water from diluting the juice and ensures each orange is ready for its final inspection before juicing. Once dried, the oranges pass through a secondary set of brushes with softer bristles. This last round buffs the fruit's skin to remove any last remnants of dirt or residue, giving the oranges a pristine look before they're inspected once more. The final inspection is critical. Inspectors check for any remaining damaged oranges that might have slipped through. This attention to detail ensures only the best oranges make it to the juicing machine, maintaining a high standard of quality in the final product. 14. Loading the juicer. Once inspected, the oranges are loaded into the juicer hole. This machine is designed to handle the entire fruit, eliminating the need for slicing or other preparation. Its efficiency is unmatched, allowing for the extraction of juice on a large scale. Inside the juicer, a fascinating process unfolds. Metal teeth puncture each orange, peeling back its skin to allow for maximum juice extraction. The machine separates the seeds, pulp, and membranes, leaving behind only the fresh, pure juice. The juice flows into a large vat equipped with filtering screens that can adjust pulp levels. Some people love their juice with a bit of pulp, while others prefer a smoother texture. These filters allow the juice to be tailored to meet different consumer preferences. The juice is bottled immediately, often in plastic jugs. These bottles are designed to expand slightly, which is crucial for storing unpasteurized juice. Because the juice is unpasteurized, it can ferment slightly, causing gases to build up. The flexible bottles prevent bursting while keeping the juice fresh. Instead of pasteurizing, this fresh squeezed juice is chilled immediately to lock in that natural flavor and vibrant color. This process results in a shorter shelf life, but delivers a flavor that's as close to fresh as possible, giving consumers an authentic taste. Once bottled, the juice is stored in refrigerated units. Fresh squeezed juice may not last as long as pasteurized varieties, but it's all about quality over quantity. This juice delivers a burst of pure, unaltered flavor that pasteurized juice just can't match. Finally, each bottle of orange juice is shipped off, ready to be enjoyed by consumers who crave that fresh, natural taste. With each sip, you're tasting the result of a long, carefully managed process, from hand-picking in sunlit groves to final bottling in a state-of-the-art facility. Next time you pour yourself a glass, take a moment to appreciate the journey it's been on to reach your table.
Ever held a pinch of pink salt and wondered how this humble crystal has traveled thousands of miles to end up on your table? You might be surprised to learn that the United States imports and processes thousands of tons of Himalayan pink salt every year to meet the growing demand. This unique salt isn't just another seasoning. It's a symbol of health and wellness, celebrated for its rich mineral content and distinctive flavor. With over 42 million tons of various salts produced and imported annually, Himalayan pink salt stands out as a favorite. But what makes it so special? Today, we'll take you on an incredible journey showing how this ancient treasure is processed in state-of-the-art American factories, transforming raw salt chunks into the fine crystals you use every day. Let's get started. Before we dive into the journey, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for more behind-the-scenes stories about how your favorite foods are made. The story of Himalayan pink salt begins deep within the ancient Kira salt mine in Pakistan, a geological marvel nestled at the foothills of the Himalayan mountain range. This mine isn't just any salt mine, it's a historic treasure with origins dating back over 250 million years. Back then, vast prehistoric oceans covered this region. As these waters gradually evaporated, they left behind massive salt deposits, which over millennia compressed into the crystalline formations we see today. What gives Himalayan pink salt its characteristic blush? It's the unique combination of over 84 trace minerals, including magnesium, calcium, and potassium, that not only contribute to its pink hue, but also enhance its nutritional profile. Health enthusiasts praise these minerals for their potential benefits, from balancing electrolytes to supporting bone health. Workers in Kevra rely on time-honored techniques, chiseling away at the massive salt walls with hand tools and basic machinery. This meticulous approach ensures that the natural structure and mineral integrity of the salt remain unaltered. Once harvested, these hefty salt rocks are transported out of the mines, where they begin their long journey to the United States. Himalayan pink salt's popularity isn't a mere fad, it's a global sensation. Over the last decade, its appeal has surged, driven by endorsements from wellness gurus, celebrity chefs, and everyday home cooks. The salt's unique flavor, visual appeal, and purported health benefits have made it a staple in kitchens worldwide. In the U.S., Himalayan pink salt is used in everything from gourmet dishes to spa treatments. Its versatility has fueled a demand that American factories are now racing to meet. These factories don't just package the salt, they refine and distribute it on a massive scale, ensuring that this once exotic ingredient is readily available on supermarket shelves across the country. The journey from Pakistan to the United States is no small feat. After being carefully extracted, massive salt rocks are loaded onto heavy-duty trucks that transport them to port facilities. Here, the salt is packed into durable, moisture-resistant containers designed to withstand the long sea voyage. These shipments then embark on their transoceanic journey, crossing thousands of miles before arriving at American ports. Once docked, the salt undergoes another round of inspection to ensure that it has remained uncontaminated during transit. Specialized trucks then transport the salt to processing factories where its transformation begins in earnest. When the salt finally arrives at American factories, it's greeted with a combination of cutting-edge technology and human expertise. Each shipment undergoes a meticulous inspection process. Factory workers and quality control experts then work together to examine the salt for impurities, ensuring that only the finest quality rocks proceed further. This initial quality check is critical. The standards are high because consumers expect nothing less than premium, pure Himalayan pink salt. Any salt that doesn't meet these rigorous benchmarks is discarded or repurposed for non-food uses. Once the salt rocks have passed inspection, they're funneled into an advanced washing system. This isn't your typical rinse. The process uses purified water to gently cleanse each salt chunk, removing surface dust and impurities without compromising the mineral-rich composition of the crystals. Freshly washed salt rocks contain moisture, which must be carefully removed to prepare them for grinding. Enter the precision drying chambers. These high-tech facilities use controlled heat and airflow to gradually reduce the moisture content of the salt. Too much moisture could lead to clumping, making the salt less appealing and harder to use. On the other hand, overly dry salt could lose its structural integrity. The drying process strikes the perfect balance, ensuring that the salt is ready for the next phase of its journey without compromising its quality or texture. Well, now comes the heavy-duty work. The dried salt rocks are fed into industrial grinders, where they are broken down into different granule sizes. Whether you prefer coarse salt for your grinder or fine grains for delicate dishes, this stage caters to every culinary need. After grinding, the salt is graded and sorted by size and texture. Each grade serves a specific purpose, from seasoning a juicy steak to adding the final touch to a decadent dessert. This meticulous grading process ensures that every consumer receives a product perfectly suited to their culinary preferences. One of the most impressive steps in the factory process is optical sorting. Using advanced cameras and sensors, these machines scan every granule of salt for imperfections. Even the smallest impurity or inconsistency is detected and removed from the batch. This technology guarantees that the final product is of the highest quality. Whether it's destined for a gourmet kitchen or a health-conscious home, every grain of Himalayan pink salt meets exacting standards. Once the salt is refined and sorted, it's ready for packaging. The first stop is bulk packaging, where large quantities of salt are sealed into industrial-grade containers. These airtight packages are designed to protect the salt from moisture and contaminants, ensuring it remains fresh and pure during storage and transit. Bulk packaging is primarily aimed at wholesale markets and large-scale food service operations. These packages ensure a steady supply of high-quality salt to restaurants, food manufacturers, and other businesses across the country. For individual consumers, the salt undergoes a second round of packaging. Here, the focus is on creating visually appealing, convenient packages that preserve freshness. From Ziploc bags to elegant glass jars, the packaging is tailored to suit a variety of consumer preferences. Retail packaging plays a crucial role in the product's market appeal. Eye-catching designs and practical features ensure that Himalayan pink salt stands out on store shelves, ready to attract health-conscious buyers. Not all Himalayan pink salt ends up in your kitchen. Some of it is reserved for creating stunning salt lamps. These large salt chunks are meticulously carved into unique shapes and fitted with light fixtures to create beautiful, glowing lamps. These lamps have become a popular wellness product, believed to purify the air and create a calming ambiance. They are another testament to the versatility of Himalayan pink salt, proving its value beyond the culinary world. Quality is paramount at every stage of the production process. Before the final products are shipped out, they undergo a series of rigorous quality control tests. These tests measure everything from mineral content to particle size and packaging integrity. Factory analysts perform both visual and laboratory tests, ensuring that every batch meets the highest industry standards. This commitment to quality ensures that consumers receive a product that is safe, pure, and of exceptional quality. With packaging complete, the salt is ready for distribution. American factories leverage an extensive distribution network to ensure that their products reach a wide array of retailers. From local grocery stores to high-end organic markets and online platforms, Himalayan pink salt is now easily accessible to millions of consumers. The efficiency of this distribution network ensures that the salt retains its freshness and quality no matter where it's sold. Sustainability is becoming a cornerstone of modern production, and Himalayan pink salt factories are no exception. Many facilities have adopted eco-friendly practices, from reducing water usage during washing to utilizing energy-efficient machinery. Moreover, some companies collaborate with organizations to promote sustainable mining practices in Pakistan, helping to preserve this natural resource for future generations. This commitment to sustainability ensures that Himalayan pink salt remains a viable product for years to come. Finally, the journey of Himalayan pink salt concludes in your home. Whether you're using it to season your favorite dish, enjoy a relaxing detox bath, or light up a room with a salt lamp, this ancient treasure has made a lasting impact. Its journey from the heart of the Himalayas to your kitchen is a testament to the power of tradition, innovation, and global collaboration. And that wraps up the incredible journey of Himalayan pink salt. From ancient mines to your dinner table, it's a story of dedication, technology, and tradition. If you loved this deep dive, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating behind-the-scenes content.
Imagine a world without French fries. Sounds almost impossible, right? These golden, crispy bites are a universal favorite, with millions consumed every single day across the globe. But have you ever wondered how these simple potatoes go from farm fields to fast food restaurants and grocery stores everywhere? French fries have a surprisingly intricate journey, involving careful farming, precision cutting, advanced freezing technology, and quality control checks at every stage. Today, we're pulling back the curtain to show you exactly how French fries are made, from seed to satisfying crunch. Let's start right at the beginning with the farmers who dedicate their lives to growing the perfect potato. French fry producers typically rely on russet potatoes for their high starch content, large size, and oblong shape, ideal for creating long, crispy fries. But it's not just any russet that makes the cut. These potatoes have to meet exact standards to qualify for large-scale French fry production. Farmers work closely with food scientists to select potato varieties that hold up well during the cooking process. Potatoes with too much moisture can turn soggy, while overly starchy ones may fall apart. The russet Burbank is a popular choice because it strikes the right balance of starch and moisture, ensuring a fluffy interior and crispy exterior. This variety is also more resistant to bruising and has a mild flavor that complements different seasonings. Before planting even begins, farmers prepare the fields to create the ideal environment for these potatoes. Soil is tested and enriched with nutrients, ensuring it has the right balance of phosphorus, potassium, and nitrogen. Proper drainage is essential, as potatoes are sensitive to excess moisture. Farmers often use techniques like crop rotation, where potatoes are planted after crops like wheat or barley, which helps reduce pests and improve soil health. Potatoes are typically planted in early spring, and the process is incredibly precise. Seed potatoes are cut into chunks, each with a budding eye, and planted at specific depths and distances to allow room for growth. Automated planters place these seed potatoes in neat rows, ensuring they're spaced perfectly for optimal growth. Over the next several months, the plants are carefully monitored, with farmers adjusting irrigation levels and applying organic treatments to control pests. After around 4 months, the potatoes are ready to be harvested. Harvesting is a delicate operation. Machines are used to dig up the potatoes without damaging their skins, which is crucial for maintaining quality. Specialized harvesters scoop up the potatoes, shake off excess soil, and transport them to trucks. It's a sight to behold. Endless rows of potatoes unearthed in perfect unison, loaded up and ready for the next stage. These trucks then carry the freshly harvested potatoes to cold storage facilities, where they await transport to the processing plant. Once the potatoes arrive at the factory, they're about to undergo a major transformation. This part of the process is a high-speed symphony of machinery, each step meticulously designed to ensure that every fry looks and tastes exactly the same. As the potatoes arrive, they're sorted and inspected for quality. Factories use advanced optical sorting machines equipped with cameras and sensors that scan each potato. This system can detect any defects, such as discoloration, bruises, or odd shapes. Potatoes that don't meet the standards are redirected for other uses, such as animal feed or composting, ensuring nothing goes to waste. Once sorted, the potatoes are sent through a series of washers. Imagine huge rotating drums where the potatoes are tumbled and sprayed with water to remove any dirt or debris. Some factories even use ultrasonic technology to ensure every speck of soil is cleaned off, resulting in spotless potatoes ready for peeling. Peeling the potatoes. Peeling is where the transformation really starts to take shape. Using a method called steam peeling, potatoes are exposed to high-pressure steam, which softens the skins instantly. They're then moved through rotating drums equipped with abrasive surfaces that gently rub away the skin. This method is not only efficient, but also minimizes waste, preserving as much of the potato as possible. Now, the peeled potatoes are ready for cutting. Factories employ water jet cutters, a high-tech solution where potatoes are shot through high-pressure water jets that slice them into perfect fries. The speed is remarkable. Machines can cut thousands of potatoes per minute, all into uniform shapes. This precision is essential for consistent cooking, as each fry needs to be the exact same thickness to achieve that ideal crispy texture on the outside and soft interior. At this point, the fries are cut, but they're still far from ready to be packaged. The next steps, blanching and par frying, are key to achieving the texture and taste we all recognize and love. Blanching involves briefly cooking the fries to remove excess starch and set their color. This step is crucial, as starch can cause fries to become overly soft or sticky. The fries are quickly dipped in boiling water or steam for a precise amount of time, then cooled immediately to halt the cooking process. This ensures they'll have that golden hue when finally fried. The blanching step also softens the fries' interiors, helping them achieve that perfect balance of crispness and fluffiness when they're fully cooked. Par frying is a quick, high-temperature frying step that helps build a light crust on the fries. Ever wondered how the golden sweetness of honey makes its way from buzzing bees to your kitchen table? It's a process that combines the ancient magic of nature with the precision of modern technology. From the tireless work of bees in the fields to the advanced machinery in factories, every step is fascinating. Let's dive into the journey of honey, how it's produced, extracted, and processed on a large scale to reach millions of households across the US. Honey has a rich history that dates back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations revered it as a gift from the gods. Egyptians placed jars of honey in tombs to sustain the dead in the afterlife. Greeks believed it was the food of the gods, calling it ambrosia. Fast forward to modern times, and honey remains a beloved staple. But while ancient methods of honey production were simple and local, today's large-scale production is a blend of science, engineering, and sustainability. The journey begins with the true heroes of the story, honeybees. These industrious insects are nature's master chemists. A single honeybee will visit hundreds of flowers in a day, using its long tongue to collect nectar. This nectar is stored in the bee's honey stomach, a special organ separate from its digestive system. Once back at the hive, the nectar is passed from bee to bee in a process that mixes it with enzymes, breaking down complex sugars into simpler, more stable forms. This chemical transformation is key to creating honey as we know it. Within the hive, the nectar is deposited into hexagonal wax cells, which are masterpieces of natural engineering. The bees fan their wings to evaporate water from the nectar, thickening it into honey. Once the honey reaches the right consistency, the bees seal the cells with a wax cap to preserve it. This is where the magic of nature stops and the work of humans begins. Commercial beekeepers in the US use advanced methods to harvest honey while ensuring the bees are left unharmed. The process begins with the use of a bee smoker. This device emits smoke that calms the bees, making it safer for beekeepers to work. Frames of honeycomb are carefully removed from the hives and inspected to ensure they are ripe for harvesting. Once collected, the frames are transported to processing facilities in temperature-controlled containers to prevent fermentation. At the factory, the first step is to uncap the honeycombs. Machines with heated knives or rollers carefully slice away the wax seals, exposing the honey inside. The wax is collected and later used for products like candles, lip balms, and cosmetics. Once the combs are uncapped, they are placed in large centrifuges. These machines spin at high speeds, using centrifugal force to extract the honey without damaging the combs. The combs can then be returned to the hives, allowing the bees to refill them, which is a sustainable practice that minimizes waste. The extracted honey still contains tiny particles of wax and other impurities, so it is passed through fine strainers. This filtration process ensures the honey is smooth and clean, ready for further processing. Large-scale honey production often involves blending honey from multiple sources. This step ensures consistency in flavor, color, and texture across batches, which is crucial for maintaining quality standards in a commercial setting. Pasteurized. This involves heating it to about 145 degrees Fahrenheit to kill any yeast that might cause fermentation. Pasteurization also makes the honey more fluid, making it easier to package and use. However, care is taken not to overheat the honey, as this could destroy its natural enzymes and flavor. Once pasteurized, the honey moves to the packaging stage. Automated machines fill jars, squeeze bottles, or bulk containers with incredible precision. Each container is sealed and labeled with information about the honey's origin, grade, and nutritional content. From here, the honey is ready to be shipped to stores or sold in bulk to companies that use it in other food products, cosmetics, or medicines. Quality control is a critical part of the process. Every batch of honey undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets the high standards set by the US Food and Drug Administration. Moisture content, purity, and taste are all carefully analyzed. Advanced machines can even detect if the honey has been adulterated with additives or syrups. Only after passing these tests is the honey approved for sale. The story doesn't end with processing. Honey's journey also involves the critical role of sustainable beekeeping. Beekeepers work hard to protect bee populations, which are essential not only for honey production, but also for pollinating crops that make up much of our food supply. Many factories and farms partner with conservation organizations to create bee-friendly environments and promote biodiversity. Beyond its production, honey continues to captivate us with its versatility. It's not just a sweetener, it's a natural preservative, a skincare ingredient, and even a remedy for coughs and wounds. The flavor of honey varies depending on the flowers the bees visit. Clover honey is light and mild, while buckwheat honey is dark and robust. These variations add to honey's charm and make it a favorite among food. Let's talk about a culinary superhero, the humble pickle. Ever stop to think about how a fresh, crunchy cucumber transforms into that zesty, tangy bite of goodness that makes your sandwiches and burgers taste infinitely better? No? Well, buckle up, because today we're taking a deep dive into the fascinating journey of cucumbers, from being tiny seeds in a farm field to becoming pickles in those neatly lined jars on supermarket shelves. This isn't just about food. It's about history, innovation, and a whole lot of care. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of farming and factories, let's roll back the clock. Pickling is one of humanity's oldest food preservation techniques, dating back over 4,000 years. It all started with ancient Mesopotamians trying to save their harvests for leaner seasons. And cucumbers? They came into the picture around 3000 BCE in India, where they were first cultivated. Fast forward a few centuries, cucumbers became a traveler's delight. Greek philosophers loved them. Roman emperors had them grown in portable greenhouses, and Cleopatra swore they were her secret to beauty. When pickling arrived in America with European settlers, it was a game changer. By the 1800s, pickles became a staple in American households, with immigrants adding their flavorful twists. Today, what was once a practical necessity is now a billion-dollar industry. Pretty wild for a cucumber, right? Now let's step into the farm, the birthplace of every pickle. Cucumbers used for pickling aren't just your everyday grocery store kind. These are specially bred varieties that are smaller, crunchier, and perfect for soaking up all that briny goodness. Farmers start with seeds that are resistant to diseases and designed for maximum yield. But even the best seeds need the right soil, well-drained, nutrient-rich, and warm. Did you know cucumbers hate the cold? They're sun lovers, thriving in temperatures between 70-85 degrees Fahrenheit. The soil is prepped using tractors equipped with plows and harrows. Organic compost or fertilizers are added to enrich the ground. It's a delicate balance. Too much fertilizer can affect the cucumber's flavor, and too little impacts growth. Mechanized planters place seeds in neat rows, spaced for optimal growth. Within a week, tiny green sprouts emerge, quickly spreading their vines. These cucumbers don't have much time. They need to grow fast and stay tender. In fact, they're harvested just 40-60 days after planting. The journey from sprout to cucumber involves meticulous care. Cucumber plants are thirsty but don't like to get their leaves wet. Blame it on fungal diseases. That's why farmers use drip irrigation, a precise system that delivers water directly to the roots. It's eco-friendly and prevents disease. Every week, farmers check the plants for nutrient levels and growth patterns. If there's even a hint of trouble, like yellowing leaves or stunted growth, they act fast, adjusting water or adding natural supplements. Cucumbers have enemies: cucumber beetles, aphids, and powdery mildew. Farmers use a mix of biological controls, like releasing ladybugs to eat aphids, and targeted sprays to keep pests at bay. They also rotate crops to avoid soil-borne diseases, a technique as old as farming itself. When the cucumbers are about 2 to 4 inches long, small but mighty, they're ready for harvest. This is where technology meets tradition. Imagine a giant comb gently sweeping through the fields, plucking only the ripe cucumbers while leaving the vines intact. These harvesting machines are equipped with sensors to identify the perfect size and avoid damaging the crop. Cool, right? Freshly picked cucumbers are rushed to cooling stations to halt the natural ripening process. This ensures they stay crisp and firm, the holy grail of pickling. Once cooled, the cucumbers are loaded onto refrigerated trucks and transported to nearby factories. Fun fact, pickling factories are often located close to farms to minimize transit time and preserve freshness. These cucumbers are on a clock. At the factory, the cucumbers are unloaded onto conveyor belts, where they're sorted by size and quality. Advanced AI cameras scan each cucumber, separating them into categories. The larger ones might end up as relish or sliced pickles, while the smaller, flawless ones are perfect for whole pickles. Next, the cucumbers go through a rigorous cleaning process. Picture high-powered water jets and gentle brushes scrubbing away dirt and residues. No cucumber is left untouched. This is where science meets art. The cucumbers are about to become pickles. Cucumbers are placed in massive stainless steel vats filled with brine, a mixture of water, salt, vinegar, and sometimes sugar or spices. The brine recipe varies depending on the pickle's final flavor, whether it's dill, bread, and butter, or spicy. Fermentation starts here. Naturally occurring lactic acid bacteria feed on the cucumber's sugars, creating that tangy, signature pickle taste. The duration of fermentation can range from a few days to several weeks, depending on the desired acidity and texture. Once fermentation is complete, the cucumbers are moved to flavor tanks, where spices like garlic, dill, mustard seeds, and chili flakes are added. Factories use rotating drums to ensure every pickle is evenly coated with flavor. The final stretch involves preparing the pickles for their long journey to consumers. To ensure safety and extend shelf life, the pickles are heated in their brine. This kills any lingering bacteria while locking in flavor. Some factories skip this step for fresh, refrigerated pickles, giving them a crunchier texture. Automated machines carefully fill glass jars with pickles and just the right amount of brine. Fun fact, these machines are so